Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create a channel in your Slack workspace really quickly. So let's get started. Now head over to Slack, for example, access it through your web browser or through the application, log into your account, select your workspace here in the top left corner. And below, guys, you will have a list of already created channels in that workspace. So what you want to do is simply click on Add Channels below, select Create a New Channel from that drop-down menu, and after that, give your channel a name like, for example, I don't know, budget planning or something like that. Click on Next, and on the Next window, select your channel's visibility. For example, you can choose between a public channel, anyone can join it, and a private channel. Remember that private channels can only be accessed by people that get specifically invited by channel members, so only be viewed or joined by invitation. There you have it, so confirm by clicking on Create here. And then the last step, decide who you would like to add to your newly created channel as a channel member. For example, you can choose to invite all members that are already members of your workspace, or specifically invite people or users using their email addresses, and confirm by clicking on Skip for Now here or on Next. And there you go. As you can see, your newly created channel has been added to your list of channels here in your workspace so that you can invite new members and coworkers to it, share content through that channel, and so on and so forth. Message your channel team members below. So guys, that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.